The hold message on your Spectrum cable box typically means it's paused or waiting for a command, often due to signal issues, software glitches, or even remote control problems. To quickly address this, first, perform a hard reset by unplugging the box from the power outlet for 30 to 60 seconds. This clears the cache and forces a reboot. Next, check all cable connections, especially the coaxial cable, to ensure they are secure and undamaged. Weak signals are a primary cause. If the issue persists, try rebooting the box via your Spectrum remote, usually by pressing the A button or through the Spectrum app. These initial steps resolve most cases, allowing your box to resume normal operation. If the basic steps don't work, a factory reset might be necessary. Be aware that this will erase any custom settings. You can find this option in the Settings menu on newer models. Also, make sure your cable box is authorized within your Spectrum account to rule out service-related flags. Looking ahead, Spectrum is moving towards cloud-based streaming boxes to reduce reliance on physical hardware and the problems associated with them. They are also integrating AI for predictive diagnostics, aiming for boxes that can self-correct errors like the hold state. While these solutions are on the horizon, the initial steps of hard resetting, checking connections, and trying a remote reboot remain your first line of defense when your Spectrum box is stuck on hold.